Rolling.
And so we are from Big Bang. We are a social media agency, and we are trying to get insights out of people who have been a part of an experience where they've had to encounter any kind of calamity, natural or unnatural. And I'd like to take you through some set of questions where we'd like to understand what exactly happened, because you've been closely involved with it.
Yes.
First of all, sir, if you can just get your name, please.
Satvinder Singh Chadha, my name is.
Okay. And so for how long had you been living in the building that you live
Since 1992, we are living in this building from last almost 22 years.
Okay. And when you bought this flat, did you go through any fire plan? Did you try to see that if this building is well equipped to handle fire or any kind of natural calamity?
No. We didn't got any plan from the builder that time.
Okay.
And neither our society implemented any such plan. And unfortunately, 3 years back, I think in 2009, in 2010, sorry, we had a fire in our building, in our house.
Okay.
So there was a massive fire, almost all flat was gutted. In that time, I realized there is no exit plan. So there was a lot of smoke when fire happened. Lot of smokes comes out, literally.
Yes.
So that time, you could not see anything, especially in the evening. If there is a fire in the evening,
Exactly.
you could not see anything. So that time we do not have any idea where to go. We have just by estimated or by fluke, we have nobody has informed us that you should not use the lift. So some people have used the lift. Luckily they were escaped, no problem. But we used staircases. But that time also there was no signage. There was no emergency signage available. You use this staircase or use that staircase or use this way to get exit from this massive fire. But as my personal suggestion to everybody or to every single person, that they should have in-house proper fire plan, exit fire plan in case fire happens. Because now you see, due to economical, most of the buildings people are having air conditioning in almost every house and every room. Earlier, 20 years before, it was not like that. Air conditioning used to be a luxury and it happened to be in 1 or 2 bedrooms, not all the bedrooms. So there is a lot of electricity load. Because of that, a lot of short circuit.
So this fire that happened in your house, was it due to a short circuit?
It was due to a short circuit.
Okay. And instantly, once the fire happened, I'm sure there must have been a chaos in the building.
Yes.
Other